Question 24 reads, for 5 consecutive even integers, the sum of the first and the third integer is 20 less than 3 times the fourth integer. What is the fifth integer? Okay, this is a difficult question, but we can break it down, okay? So what is an even integer, okay? Or what are consecutive even integers? It would be something like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? This is a fairly simple concept because they're right after one another, right? And they're all even, right? And so, but what we need to understand is the nature of consecutive even integers, which is that the difference between each subsequent number is actually plus 2, right? When I'm going from 2 to 4, it's plus 2. 4 to 6 is plus 2, 6 to 8 is plus 2, and the pattern continues, right? It's going to be the same always. That's the idea. This is the idea of consecutive even integers, that what you need to understand to solve this question. Okay, and so we have to find this list of 5 consecutive integers, but we don't know which one is the starting value or anything. So I'm going to actually write the starting integer. Like here, the starting would be 2, right? I'm going to write a, okay? And so if a is our first value, our second value must be a plus 2, right? This is the idea that we were extrapolating here, right? A plus 2. Our third integer should be a plus 4, right? From this, we're jumping. A plus 6, a plus 8, right? And this is our list of 5 consecutive even integers. Keep in mind, we don't know what a is so far, right? And so now we're gonna actually solve for a, and this is why they give this information right here. The sum of the first and third integer is 20 less than 3 times the fourth integer. Okay, so let's try to write that down mathematically. The sum of the first and third integers. So we know this is the first one, this is the second integer, this is the third, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth. The sum of the first and third is a plus 4, right? Or we can just write a plus 4, right? That is the first section of the question. And then they say, is 20 less than 3 times the fourth integer? 20 less than 3 times the fourth integer. So 3 times the fourth integer is 3, a plus 6, and 20 less than that, so minus 20, okay? And so now we can solve for a, actually. And so now it's just basic algebra. The like terms combine and we're gonna expand, right? So it becomes 2a plus 4, FOIL this out, 3a plus 18 minus 20. 18 minus 20 is actually minus 2, so I'm just gonna write minus 2. Okay? Now I'm gonna bring this to the 2a to the right hand side and the minus 2 to the left hand side. And so it becomes 6a. 6 equals a. And so we know our value now is 6. Okay? And so really what we're looking at is a group of numbers from, let's say, I'm going to continue this. This is actually going to be the actual 5 consecutive even integers the question was asking about. And so what is the fifth integer? Well, we can just put 6 for a, we can just do 6 plus 8, right? That's 14 right over here, the fifth integer. And so our answer is B.